Hello, my name is Akash Dingre and today we are going to cover simplest of the simplest DIY topic, which is scooter servicing, and that too basic scooter servicing. The tip for today is a Honda Grazia, and we will be carrying out engine oil change, air filter replacement, basic lubrication and general checkup. Before carrying out any kind of repair or service on your motorcycle or scooter, we highly recommend to wash the bike thoroughly with a pressure washer and with the automotive shampoo. Once you have done that, remove water from switches, dashboard and any kind of levers or any important moving parts using compressed air. Once the vehicle is relatively dry, you need to remove the dipstick on your scooter. After removing the fill cap, you'll need to remove the drain bolt. Now in some scooters, there might be a strainer inside the drain bolt. Now while the oil is draining from your scooter, you can go ahead and remove the airbox cover. If your scooter has a paper air filter and it's dirty, you can go ahead and replace it. If your scooter has a foam air filter, you can wash it with the permitted detergents and then put it back on your scooter. In this case, Grazia has a paper air filter. That's the reason why we are going to just replace it. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and remove the spark plug. In our case, the vehicle was almost brand new, just done 2,000 or 3,000 kilometers on it. That's the reason why we just removed the spark plug, put it in spark plug cleaner, blew some compressed air on it after it was done cleaning, and then put it back in the engine. By this time, all the oil must have drained from the scooter. So go ahead and put the drain bolt back in. Check the oil capacity on either the engine crankcase or the fill cap and then fill the engine up with your recommended engine oil. Now most of the oils that are on market for scooters come with the spout and are in 800 milliliters capacity. Now let's say for an example, your scooter holds 750 ml, then you need to remove 50 ml from the pack and then fill the rest of the pack in. After filling the engine oil, we cleaned the switches with electrical contact cleaners and anything that is on the outside of the scooter which moves, such as side stand, main stand and levers. We lubricated those things using a chain lube. Once the scooter was lubricated, all that was left to do was to see if the scooter ran as it's supposed to. So that means checking all the electricals, which includes indicators, headlights, horn, etc. and also go for a test ride and see how the brake responds. Carrying out this simple maintenance procedure on your scooter once every 3 months ensures that your scooter will remain running smoothly for a longer time and will give you the best mileage and the best performance possible. So there is really no reason for you to avoid doing this. But if you don't really want to do this on your own, we can understand. So just give us a call at Unlimited Care and we'll take care of your scooter for you. We will be covering more intensive topics like level 2 or level 3 servicing of scooters, motorcycles and everything that is on two wheels in general. But this is it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. This is me signing off. Thank you.